feeding Ariel solids for the first time.
There we
She
go.
doesn't really like it.
Yum yums. That's yum yums, huh? Oh. Oh, she's kind of liking it.
Yeah, she looks like she does.
It's better than last time. Here we go. That's not too bad, is it? Num nums.
Oh, the face only a mommy could love.
Here, Daddy got it. No.
Is it on the roof of her mouth again?
No, she just smeared it all around. You making a big mess? Or Daddy making a big mess? Someone is.
Aww. It's okay, honey bun. Merle! Poor baby! Well, I guess that made it go down.
How's that?
Just throw it all in there and watch her drink it.
Is that better? Huh?
She's foaming at the mouth.
What do you think? Almost done here.
Good job.
Do we need to feed her the whole thing, babe? I think.
Yeah, you should.
Really? Okay. Well, guess what? We got a little more to do. Really? Wow. You just tell Daddy all your problems. Just tell him all about it.
Oh, she's so sweet.
She is. Hey, sweetheart. Big girl. Eating food. She's eating lots of food. Hold on.
So sweet.
Sweetheart. Huh. Almost done.
She's like, thank you, Daddy. Thank you. I needed that.
No.
Don't let this cry deceive you. There you go. That's the cry we all know.
You are all done.
She's like, yeah.
There we go.
Our first successful, kind of, solids eating.
Well, good
Baby
job.
cereal, rice.
Good job, Lovin'. Did it all by yourself. Huh.
And this is Jessica Hamilton from the Hamilton household.
That was
Good
big
night and
George.
good luck.